Step into the captivating realm of Granada. Imagine cobblestone streets whispering stories of a rich past and vibrant culture pulsating through the air like a live flamenco performance. Our meticulously crafted 3-day itinerary is your key to unlocking the city's secrets. We'll delve into its storied past, experience its energetic present that spills out onto lively plazas, and delve into its mouth-watering culinary scene that will tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to embark on a journey through the heart of Andalusia, where every twist and turn reveals a new chapter in Granada's timeless allure. Day 1. Unveiling the grandeur of Alhambra. Our first adventure kicks off with a visit to the undisputed king of Granada's architectural crown jewels, the Alhambra. This isn't just any palace, it's a sprawling complex that transports you straight back to a time of Moorish kings and queens. Imagine walking through ornate gateways, each tile meticulously hand-painted and whispering tales of a bygone era. Tickets sell out faster than you can say Moorish masterpiece, so snag yours online beforehand to avoid disappointment. Trust me, you don't want to be hangry and ticketless at the Alhambra entrance. A little planning goes a long way, especially during peak season. To truly appreciate the Alhambra's significance and hidden details, consider booking a guided tour. These tours are like having your own personal history buff who can unlock the fascinating stories behind the architecture. The Nasrid palaces, in particular, will leave you speechless with their intricate carvings that resemble delicate lacework. Imagine serene courtyards adorned with trickling fountains and fragrant flowers, offering a peaceful escape from the bustling city below. Every detail, from the geometric patterns adorning the walls to the delicate calligraphy etched into the ceilings, is a testament to the incredible artistry of the Moorish era. Don't rush the Alhambra. This is a place to savor, not just see. Get lost in the labyrinthine corridors, each twist revealing a hidden courtyard or a breathtaking vista. Soak up the unique ambience, a blend of Moorish artistry and the echoes of history. Imagine yourself wandering through the Generalife Gardens, a paradise on a hilltop. Cascading waterfalls serenade your ears, fragrant rose gardens fill the air with perfume, and every corner offers a picture-perfect backdrop for capturing memories. As you reach the top, prepare to be stunned by the commanding presence of the Alcazaba fortress. Climb its ramparts and be rewarded with panoramic city views, a powerful reminder of Granada's rich military history. Day 2. A cultural odyssey through Albayzin and Sacramont. Get ready to dive deep into the heart of Granada's multicultural heritage on Day 2. Our journey begins in the captivating Albayzin, a historic quarter that feels like stepping back into a bygone era. Imagine yourself wandering through a maze of narrow, cobbled streets lined with whitewashed houses. These aren't your average houses, though. Each one is adorned with colorful tiles, a beautiful reminder of the Moorish influence that shaped Granada's past. As you explore, keep your eyes peeled for hidden plazas, charming squares that suddenly open up, bursting with life and local character. Don't miss the chance to peek into artisan workshops, where skilled craftspeople carry on centuries-old traditions, creating everything from intricate ceramics to delicate lacework. And if you're feeling a touch spiritual, explore the neighborhood's historic mosques, architectural gems that stand as testaments to Granada's rich religious tapestry. But Albayzin isn't just about charming streets and hidden details. It also offers some of the most breathtaking views in the entire city. Hike up to the Mirador de San Nicolas, a viewpoint that rewards you with a panoramic spectacle. Imagine the majestic Alhambra bathed in golden sunlight, its intricate details contrasting with the snow-capped peaks of the Sierra Nevada mountains in the distance. This spot is a favorite for catching the sunset, so get there early if you want to snag a prime viewing spot. Trust me, watching the sky set ablaze with vibrant shades of orange, pink, and gold as the Alhambra is silhouetted against it is an experience you won't forget. As the last rays of sunlight dip below the horizon, immerse yourself in the soul-stirring rhythms of flamenco. This isn't just a dance, it's the very heartbeat of Andalusian culture, an art form that expresses a deep passion and emotional intensity. Witnessing a live flamenco performance is a must-do in Granada. The raw energy of the dancers, the powerful strumming of the guitar, and the captivating melodies sung by the singer will leave you spellbound. But our exploration doesn't end there. Venture into the intriguing neighborhood of Sacramont, nestled in the foothills overlooking the city. Here, carved into the very hillside, you'll find unique cave dwellings, a testament to Granada's long history of bohemian spirit and alternative lifestyles. Delve into the world of flamenco at some of the intimate tablaos, flamenco performance venues, nestled within these caves. The atmosphere here is electric, with passionate flamenco performances taking place right before your eyes. The raw emotion and rhythmic intensity of these shows will leave you breathless, offering a truly unforgettable glimpse into the heart of Andalusian culture. Day 3, a gastronomic grand finale in Granada. Let's wrap up your Granada adventure with a delicious bang. Day 3 is all about indulging in the city's vibrant food scene, a true feast for the senses. Imagine starting your day with a leisurely breakfast at a charming local cafe. Think freshly baked pastries, flaky croissants, perhaps, or maybe a warm chao dipped in thick, rich chocolate. Pair that with a steaming cup of freshly brewed coffee, the perfect fuel for your culinary escapade. As you sip and savor, take a moment to plan your delicious day ahead. First stop, the markets. Granada boasts incredible marketplaces, like the Mercado de San Agustin or the Mercado Central de Abastos. These bustling hubs are a cornucopia of culinary delights, overflowing with fresh produce that practically bursts with color. Think plump tomatoes still warm from the sun, glistening olives, and exotic fruits you've never seen before. But it's not just about the fresh produce. Wander through the stalls overflowing with artisanal cheeses, their pungent aromas filling the air, and cured meats like jamon iberico, each slice a marbled masterpiece waiting to be devoured. Don't be shy, interact with the vendors. They're passionate about their products and love sharing their knowledge. And who knows, you might even get a chance to sample a local specialty or two. Belly rumbling after your market adventure? Head into the heart of the city, where narrow streets are practically lined with tapas bars, each one a treasure trove waiting to be explored. The energy here is electric, filled with the chatter of locals and the clinking of glasses. The beauty of tapas is the variety. You can indulge in classic favorites like patatas bravas, those crispy potatoes bathed in a spicy sauce, or jamon iberico, the melt-in-your-mouth cured ham that's a Spanish national treasure. But don't stop there. Many bars offer innovative fusion creations, pushing the boundaries of flavor and presentation. Each bite is a celebration of Andalusian cuisine, a delicious dance between tradition and creativity. As the sun begins to set, it's time for a grand finale, your farewell dinner. This is your chance to indulge in some of Granada's most iconic dishes. Imagine a steaming pan of paella, the saffron-infused rice studded with seafood, chicken, and chorizo, or perhaps a refreshing bowl of gazpacho, that chilled tomato soup that's perfect for a warm summer night. And let's not forget the sangria, the quintessential Spanish beverage that's as vibrant as the city itself. Raise a glass to the memories you've made, the flavors you've savored, and the new friends you've met. Bid farewell to Granada with a heart full of happy memories and a palate completely satisfied. Don't forget to check out the video description for the best activities at the best prices. We want you to make the most of your time in this enchanting city. Alright folks, listen up. Here are some golden nuggets of wisdom I wish I knew before getting swept away by Granada's magic. Consider this your ultimate cheat sheet for a smoother, more enjoyable trip. Granada's tapas scene is legendary, but navigating it can be a little tricky at first. Here's the thing. Tapas are meant for sharing, so grab a group and order a few different dishes to try. Don't be afraid to experiment. And remember, some bars include tapas with your drink, while others charge you separately. Just keep an eye on those little plates. Granada is a popular city, especially during peak season. Here's a secret weapon. Get there early. The Alhambra, for example, is magical in the morning light before the crowds roll in. Early mornings are also a great time to explore the Albayzin neighborhood before it gets too hot. Granada is a city best explored on foot. Those cobblestone streets and winding alleys are begging to be traversed, but trust me, comfy shoes are your best friend. Blisters are not a cute look, and nobody wants to be limping around the Alhambra. Let the spirit of Granada ignite your imagination and fuel your wanderlust. This city will leave an indelible mark on your travels, a delicious and unforgettable memory for years to come. Farewell, and safe travels.